Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your SIM card and or your micro SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. A SIM card, also known as a subscriber identity module or a subscriber identification module (SIM), is an integrated circuit running a card operation system, a COS, that is indeed to securely store the International Mobile Subscriber Identifier (IMSI) number and its related key, which are used to identify and authenticate subscribers on mobile telephony devices. And this device here, this Galaxy A52s 5G, can handle too, because it's a dual SIM handy or a dual SIM mobile phone. That means you can use two SIM cards in one device and you can switch between them. Or you will use one SIM card and a micro SD card. Where we can find that tray to remove or to attach a new SIM card. On the right side we have volume up, volume down and power button. On the left side nothing. On the bottom side we have the USB-C plug and the lightning jack. Okay, now we are looking at the upper side. There it is. And in the upper side we have the SIM tray. We are going to use the SIM extraction tool to remove the SIM tray to get a new SIM card attached. There are two holes, but take care. Use the left hole where the tray is. The other hole is not to push with your SIM card extraction tool in it, because the other tool is the sound system. So push a little bit with that tool and the tray comes out, as you can see here. You can see it really good. Okay, and there is the information on the screen. The SIM or micro SD card tray is open. We should take advance, because the waterproof level is not so high like before. So now we remove the tray and we can see there are two areas to attach a SIM card or two SIM cards, or we can attach one SIM card and one micro SD card. A micro SD card is really cool, because with that micro SD card we can extend the memory of this Samsung Galaxy A52s up to 1 terabyte. The micro SD is really cool because it's a mini card. But go back to the SIM card. We are going to use the right SIM card size. SIM cards has different dimensions. There is a full-size SIM, a mini SIM, a micro SIM and a nano SIM. We will need one or two nano SIM to operate with that device here. Then on the SIM card, on the nano SIM, there is one edge other than the other edges. And it's the same on the tray. We are now attaching this SIM card and we are looking to the tray, and then we push it in position. We have two options: SIM tray number 1 or SIM card tray number 2. SIM card number 2 or the tray area number 2 is a multi-tray. That means it can host a nano SIM or a micro SD card. You can choose by yourself. We are going to attach now this SIM card to tray number 1, because tray number 1 is the main tray. Now we have the option number 2 to get the micro SD card in position on tray number 2. That's really cool because it's a dual SIM smartphone. On the tray of the second tray from the smartphone, you can attach a micro SD card. The micro SD card has the dimensions which fits there really proper. You can see the dimensions on the left side or on the upper side on that screen here. You can see there is the shape of the microSD card is matched there. So let's perform this. We get this in position. It's a little bit tricky because it's so tiny, it's small. For my big fingers, it's a really challenge. But you can handle this much better. If you get a full-size SIM, there are it's prepared to press out the full size, the mini and the micro and the nano. If you get this full package of the formats, you will only push out the nano SIM for your handy, so for your smartphone. And now we attached both on it. This is option number one. We have a SIM card attached, so we can go mobile. And the second is we gain our storage. Up to 1 terabyte is possible. So now we get back this SIM tray into position, and then after this we have in the most time, if you have a new one, you will need a PIN. This is a passcode to enter this SIM. This gives you, your provider will give you. If you've forgotten that, you can call your provider to get a new one, for example. So you can see it's a little bit tricky, but you can handle this much better than me here. So if both are connected, you will have more space and the possibility of mobile smartphone using easily. So take care, it should be in one line, and then can you press, do it gentle and smooth, get it back in position, job's done. That it is how to remove the tray and how to attach a new one, for example. Job's done. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.